If you look at like a double loaded corridor in the Four Seasons and a double
Hmm.
loaded corridor in like a Holiday Inn, they're exactly the same aside from the finishes, right? There's no light. None of them is more social than the other. It's just the quality of finishes. And that to us is not interesting. And so the question was like, well, how do you actually, and even in the real estate community, we refer to that space as non-sellable square footage, meaning it doesn't have any value. So the question for us is, well, how can we make that have value? How can we transform this? And so this is what led us to these exterior single loaded corridor design. And from there, it offered performative elements such as passive cooling, so you can cross ventilate the space, and it sort of went from there. And then over time, the ultimate objective of the city is to build more effectively mid-market housing faster. And so this first initial project we're calling phase one is really led into a larger strategy of like, okay, well, how do you take this model? How do you use this as a test case to bring all of these different groups together and replicate this concept? Not the exact topology, but the structural system and all of this.